If you want to learn how to trade properly, then you have come to the right place. This is part one in a trading bootcamp video series where I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get started trading. This first lesson is going to be a bit of an introduction and set the foundation. Then we're going to get stuck into the fun stuff, jump into the charts and teach you exactly how to trade. So a little bit about me. I was a professional firefighter in Australia, now a full-time trader based in Dubai and traveling the world. So in this video series, we're going to cut out all the bullshit. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know how to trade. So let's get started. Now, first, to set the foundation, I want to talk about what it takes, okay? What it takes to become a professional, consistently profitable trader. Now, the first thing is commitment, okay? You need to be committed to this journey. It's not always going to be easy, but right now you need to say to yourself, I will do this, okay? Because it needs a high level of commitment. Then, of course, you need to learn how to play the game. Okay, there's a million different ways to trade. There are only two types of trading. Okay, there's profitable and not profitable. And I want to teach you how to be a profitable trader. Okay, then you need to practice. You need to put in the reps. You need to have the discipline to practice over and over again so it becomes second nature, right? So you need this discipline not only when you're learning how to trade, but once you get into the live markets and you're trading with money, you need to have this discipline to stick to your trading plan. Now, this one's really important, okay? You need to have a growth mindset, okay? And what this means is you need to keep moving forward. No matter how many failures or little setbacks you have, you need to learn from those and move forward and grow from them, okay? So a growth mindset is about not letting failures and setbacks push you back and make you more negative in your journey. In fact, it has the opposite. And every time you have a failure, you grow from that and you get better and keep moving forward. And that's exactly what you need to be a successful trader. You need to have thick skin. You need to learn from your mistakes and a little bit better each day. Okay, 1% better every single day. So now let's look at what is on offer, okay, when you master the game of trading. I know this sounds a little bit like a cliche, but it's so true. Time, location, and financial freedom. This is absolutely possible with trading. We can just see over here some P&L cards. We got in some crypto and some traditional markets, and you can just see the returns here. And this is the type of money you can make consistently when you master this game. Now, uncapped income potential. Trading is truly scalable. The sky is really the limit, but first you need to learn how to be consistent with your trading. Then you can learn how to scale. All right. Now, what I'm going to teach you is going to allow you to trade any market on any time frame. Okay, I'm not going to pigeonhole you into one asset on one time frame. Okay, I'm going to give you the skills so you can trade any market on any time frame. And of course, trading your style. Okay, it's so important to make your trading fit your lifestyle and not try and squeeze your lifestyle into fit a certain kind of trading. Okay, so I'm going to give you the tools to build your own trade plan and trade any market on any time frame. Now, as with anything in life, when you're starting on a new journey, you need to set some goals. Okay, this is really important to do from the start, to set goals, to know what your targets and your objectives are. Okay, now your number one goal when you're learning to trade is to be consistent. Okay, consistency is your number one goal, right? Working hard now to enjoy rewards later. This is truly the investment mindset, okay? Investing time and effort now to enjoy those rewards later. It's almost like going one step back to go 2, 3, 4, 5, even more steps forward, right? So it's very important to understand that skills and mindset need to come first. Money comes second, okay? Money cannot be the first thing on your mind when you're starting to learn how to trade, okay? Trust me, the money will come if you are firstly consistent. All right. So you need to build skills and you need to build mindset. So skills, you need to have all of the required skills to consistently execute trades. And the mindset you need to build is to be able to trade consistently without emotion. We're going to teach you all of that through these lessons. Okay. Now, key objectives of a trader. This is really important to have these three things in the back of your mind right now from the start when you're learning how to trade. Okay, so your number one goal as a trader is to preserve your capital. Okay, your trading account and your capital is your weapon. You need that to be able to trade. And there's lots of different ways. I'm going to teach you how you can get more capital. Okay, get over 6-figure funded trading accounts. But firstly, you need to be consistent. You need to have the skills and the mindset. Okay, all of that money comes later. So preserving capital and managing your risk is your number one priority as a trader. Then we want to be able to generate income. Okay, we want to use that capital, use our skills as a trader to generate income. And lastly, we want to continually grow that account size. Okay. And we'll talk about thinking in percentages later rather than just in dollars. But the more you can grow your account size, the more income you can generate. Okay. Because we can start talking about percentages of account. And obviously, the larger your account size is, the more income you can generate. Okay. So let's just say, 10% of a $10,000 account, that's obviously $1,000. But you start talking about 10% of a $200,000 account, that's $20,000. When you're actually making the same percentage return, so you're trading the same way, when you have a larger account size, you're more powerful and you can be more profitable. Now, let's have a look at some of the lessons. Okay, so this is just a little bit of an overview of what's going to be coming up through this video series. I really encourage you to work through it in order because each lesson will sort of lead into the next. But we're going to go through everything. Okay, we're going to start off with the basics with the candlesticks. What is price action? How do we read a price chart? What are candlesticks telling us? Then we'll look at market dynamics. We'll look at things like ranges, trends, balance, imbalance, order types, understanding how and why the market moves. Then we look at a trader's mindset and how to build that really strong bulletproof mindset. We look at supply and demand, okay, the primary reason the markets move and drives price. We'll look at liquidity, okay, where is it, how to find it and how to trade it. Extremely important concept to understand. Look at support and resistance, what it is, why it works and how we can use it in our trading. Then I'm going to wrap things up by building a trade plan and teach you exactly how to build a trade plan of your own. Now, I'm excited to get started on this journey. So if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section below and we'll see you in the next video.